Assalamu alaikum, dear brothers and sisters. This video of this Muslim sister is becoming viral on social media. This video shows a Muslim sister lying in an operation theater. A doctor is seen next to the sister trying to talk to the sister, but the sister is not responding to any of the doctor's words. The girl was admitted to the hospital. The girl could not speak because she was sick and she was very scared, but everyone was shocked to see what happened next. The doctor could hear a voice from the girl's mouth that was reciting of Quran, Subhanallah, where people were seen crying or screaming when they are sick. This girl's love for her Lord has become a shining example. While lying in the operation theater, she is reciting the Quran so sweetly with fear in her eyes, the fear of Allah. MashaAllah. See how beautiful she is reciting the Quran. Give your valuable feedback about this video in the comment box. Share the video with your family and friends and give them a chance to see. May the Almighty Allah help you and guide you to the path of Jannah. Akhir dawana alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. Allah Hafiz.